Well, here we are again. God. So the compound, polish, and wax is all done now. Pretty happy with the turnout. She's pretty glossy looking. Got the windows cleaned up, the rims and tires cleaned up. Everything turned out not bad. See myself pretty good in it overall. It's a little scratchy still. I mean, it was a heck of a mess. I did what I could to bring it back, but unfortunately there's only so much I can do, and it was my first time using a machine polisher as well, so geez, learning as I go. Look at that beauty, eh? I'll tell you what, she turned out pretty good overall. Pretty shiny now. I'll go down the other side just so you can see it. Not that it's any different. Just opposite. So, yeah. Not bad overall. She's looking pretty good. Got this stupid etching on the window, so I don't know. Put a sticker over that for now, and eventually I'll get a set of quarter windows for it. Good old kids in the 70s, I guess. They do what they do. But either way, pretty happy, man. This is about as good as it's gonna get. Maybe not as good as it gets, but as good as this one's gonna get. For now, I'll keep fiddling. I'm never done, so. Back in a second. Okay, we're back. Got the underneath of the hood all cleaned up, and a little bit of the engine compartment, nothing too special, but there she is running good. We'll go back and listen to her. Runs like a clock. That's a good motor for $1,000 bucks. Pretty happy overall. Pretty much everything's good on her. My GPS speedo. We've gone 9 kilometers so far. A decent interior in this one, I'm glad. Got my washer tank in. I gotta get a horn still just to throw in there just to pass inspection, and then I'll order probably a proper replacement one for it later. I'm only gonna run one. I think they had 2. I got my washer tubes hooked up. They're kind of goofy, but they'll do the trick 100%. They're gonna. Just enough to pass inspection, right? Gotta have everything working, unfortunately. There's no good safeties out here. The power brake booster works well, like the brakes feel great. But unfortunately, I noticed when I put the brakes on that the RPM would rising slightly. So the assumption was there must be a bit of a vacuum leak on the diaphragm. So easy way to verify that, we're going to put a set of these on our vacuum line. Look at that. That's the vice grips knocking on the valve cover. That brings her down quite a bit, eh? So, that explains some of the difficulty I've had tuning this fucking thing. She's been, hasn't been bad, but it's just been a little miserable, and I guess a good old vacuum leak would explain most of that. Listen to that, eh? So, I guess I gotta order a new power brake booster, and that's unfortunate because those things are like $400 or $500. So, I think I can get them a wee bit cheaper here or there. Take her through inspection as is. I want to get the plates on her, but I'm going to order one in the next week or so. I don't imagine it'll come super quick, but we'll get her. And realistically, for all we've been through with this car and this restoration-ish, I mean, really, if that's the worst thing that came out of it, I better not complain, eh? So, anyways, not much to report. All kinds of buffing and carrying on and trying to get this thing up to snuff. So, we'll see you again, I don't know when. Maybe we'll go for a drive in it sometime together. Later. Thanks for watching.